Number 7 has the ball. He runs fast and he's got it.
Kidz Korner. Creative learning.
Wake up, Timmy.
Wake up, my little princess Loila. Open your eyes softly.
Hurry up and get ready fast. Today is football match day.
Yeah. Mom, I am brushing fast.
Very good, Timmy.
Bubbles.
Healthy breakfast makes you strong.
Mom, where is Daddy?
He got ready early. He is looking for the car keys.
Yay!
Ready, go, we're out.
It is so yummy. Now I am ready to go out.
Ah, here are the car keys.
Daddy, look! I finished my healthy breakfast.
Good job.
Look at my champions in blue.
We are matching, Loila. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yay! Car is there. We are fast.
Easy, kids.
I have the tickets.
How much time will it take, Dad? I am so happy.
Look, the stadium is there.
Look at the big flags. Wow, so cool.
We are very close now.
We're at the parking. So many cars.
Let us find a spot.
Wow, it is so big stadium.
Let us go, Dad.
Hold Mom's hand. Stay close.
Big crowd. I want a flag.
Let us buy one.
Yes, get a blue one.
Hey, my flag! Ronaldo is the best.
Go Blue Lions, let us go.
Here are the tickets. Welcome, enjoy.
Let us find our seats. Look at the green field.
Wow, so big stadium.
Our seats are right here.
Row 10 is right here.
Sit next to me, Mom. I can see the grass field.
Lions!
The game is starting.
Look, there is Ronaldo. Go Lions!
Go, go!
Number 7 has the ball. He runs fast and he's got it out.
Natural, keep him tight.
That's a perfect run. Don't lose that
He's
momentum.
making his move! Number 7 is so fast!
And he kicks it. Yes! Goal!
Ronaldo scored the goal.
He's my favorite player. Hey, go Ronaldo!
Mom, look, we are on the screen.
That's us.
Look, that drone is filming us.
Hi, drone. Smile.
Let's go. He hits it. Oh, what a save. The Blue Lions keeper denies a certain goal.
Good job, team. Take a breath and drink some water. We have to play hard now. Stay strong.
Listen to me. We stay together. One team, one goal. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lions! Blue Lions!
Proud. He jumps high. It's a header. Goal! The Blue Lions win. 2-0. What a finish!
The match is over. The Blue Lions are the winners.
Ronaldo, you're my hero. Autograph, please?
Sure, anything for you, champ.
It was the best night of Timmy's life, a dream come true for the whole family.
What a magical night, everyone. Let's go back to home.
Best night ever.
Subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you, bye.